Top 8 Little Habits to Become Financially Literate in 2026. Financial literacy is the foundation of wealth, yet most people never learn it properly. Today, I'm revealing the top 8 little habits that can transform your understanding of money in 2026. Habit number 1 is simple, but most people ignore it. And habit number 8 is a game changer for your entire financial future. Why financial literacy matters. You don't need to be rich to become financially literate, but becoming financially literate will help you create real wealth. These habits aren't about working harder, they're about training your mind to understand, manage, and grow money smarter than most people ever will. Habit 1. Track every expense. The first habit is tracking every expense. You can't improve what you don't measure. Wealthy people know exactly where every dollar goes. Start small. Write down every expense for a week. Then analyze it. Most people waste hundreds without realizing it. By tracking, you identify leaks in your finances and redirect money to savings and investments. Actionable example. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple notebook. Review weekly and categorize spending: needs, wants, investments. Habit 2. Read about money daily. Financial literacy grows through knowledge. Make it a habit to read about money daily. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day can compound into years of expertise. Read about investing, budgeting, taxes, and wealth psychology. Knowledge allows you to make smarter decisions, spot opportunities, and avoid costly mistakes. Example: start with classic books like Richest Man in Babylon or The Intelligent Investor. Listen to 10-minute podcasts while commuting. Actionable step: commit to one book or 1 hour of learning per week. Habit 3. Automate savings and investments. The third habit is automation. Money left on your own will disappear. Temptation is real. Automate savings and investments so you never miss a contribution. This small habit ensures consistency without relying on willpower. Example: set $100 per month to automatically go to an investment account. Automate emergency fund transfers weekly. Insight: automation prevents procrastination and builds financial discipline effortlessly. Habit 4. Set micro-financial goals. Don't just say, "I want to be rich." Break it down. Save $500 this month, pay off $1,000 debt, or invest $50 weekly. Micro goals give clarity, focus, and measurable progress, which builds confidence and momentum. Actionable step: write down 3 financial goals for this month. Track and celebrate small wins. Habit 5. Understand your net worth. Most people don't know their net worth. Wealthy individuals track it regularly. Knowing your assets, liabilities, and net worth gives you a clear picture of financial health. Update it monthly and set goals to grow it steadily. Example: assets: cash, investments, property. Liabilities: loans, credit cards. Net worth equals assets minus liabilities. Actionable step: calculate your net worth today and track changes monthly. Habit 6. Surround yourself with financially smart people. Your environment shapes your habits. Surround yourself with people who are financially intelligent. Join online communities, attend workshops, or find mentors. Positive influence accelerates learning and prevents costly mistakes. Example: a friend sharing investment tips can save you years of trial and error. Mentorship opens doors that knowledge alone cannot. Habit 7. Practice mindful spending. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about what you keep. Mindful spending means thinking before every purchase. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Will it add value to my life? This habit reduces impulse purchases and frees money for investments and savings. Actionable step. Before any purchase, wait 24 hours. Track necessary versus unnecessary expenses weekly. Habit 8. Reflect and review weekly. The final habit is reflection. Review your week, what went well, what didn't, and what you learned about your money habits. This habit strengthens financial awareness, identifies mistakes early, and ensures steady improvement. Small, consistent reflection compounds into financial intelligence over months. Actionable step. Spend 20 minutes every Sunday reviewing spending, savings, and goals. Adjust strategies and plan for the next week. These are the 8 little habits that can make you financially literate in 2026. Start today, even with one habit, and watch your knowledge and your wealth grow. Comment below which habit you'll start this week. And if you want more strategies to grow your money faster, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Knowledge plus action equals wealth.